Somebody told me you were leaving. I didn't know. Somebody told me you're unhappy, but baby it doesn't show. Somebody told me that you don't want me no more. How you got?
Translate. Translate.
Anima. Just like this. So you're walking out the door. Nobody told me you've been crying every night. Nobody told me you've been dying, but didn't want to fight. Nobody told me that you fell out of love from me. So I'm setting you free. Ayan, andyan pa pala kayo. Pag dilat ko baka wala na eh. Let me be the one to break it up, so you won't have to make excuses. We don't need to find a setup where someone wins and someone loses. We just have to say our love was true, but has now become a lie. So I'll tell you, baby, I love you one last time. And goodbye.
Gusto ka? Gusto ka? Huwag muna.
Huwag niyo muna ako sunduin, may mission pa.
Lumaban ka. Lumaban ka.
Gusto ko sumunod sa ilaw, ang dami. Ito naman yung bumalik na siya, nag-text siya. Sabi niya, Jimmy, I still love you. Sabi ko, who you?
Ay, ang taray. Ang taray.
Binalibag ko nga yung 3210 ko eh.
Ano, kabili ka na ng 3210 nun?
Oo, silver. Nagsisnake pa ako. Huwag kang kumakanta ko. Somebody told me you still love me. Don't know why. Nobody told me that you only needed time to fly. Somebody told me that you ought to come back when our love is real again. Meron bang kumakanta ng kanta na to? Who would like to sing it here on stage? Yung chorus lang, kailangan memorize niya. Ang pag nabuo niya, bigyan niyo ng jacket. Nabigyan ako kagabi. Meron ba? Bibigyan natin ng t-shirt ng Sabado Boys.
Oo. Bigyan ko na CD.
CD, bibigyan. Dami natin bibigay ha.
Pero pag yung
kakanta.
Pero pag yung kanta ko yung kinanta. Kasi bakit ko bibigyan CD ko kung kanta mo kinanta?
Hindi, sasign ko. Okay. Meron ba? Anything?
Come up on stage, anybody. We have a prize for you.
Okay.
Wala talagang may alam yung kanta. Ayun na, may nag-aalakad na. Meron ba?
This is a chance of a lifetime, ha? Sila Chris Brown nagte-text sa amin, gustong kantahin to. Sabi ko, who you?
Can you go around over there? Okay.
Sipin mo,
Yan.
nakapasok tayo ng Canada. Pero si Chris Brown, hindi.
Come on.
Hi! Anong sa'yo? Anong sa'yo?
Ano sa'yo? Nangyari sa'yo? Ano sa'yo? Ano?
Sarahamida. Anong sa'yo? Unsa ba ni mo duduhan?
Ano sa'yo? Ano sa'yo?
Okay. You know this song? Sorta? Alright,
Are you from here or from there? Okay.
Okay, we're gonna do...
Feel free to take the mic.
You will introduce
What's your
yourself
name?
later, okay? Let's just...
Yes. Let's just sing the song first.
No, don't shake.
Do you know the song in English?
Don't shake. It's a love song. It's not a dance song. Don't shake. Don't shake. You're not a fruit. Last one. let me be the one. Okay? One wrong, all wrong, okay?
Right minus wrong. Later.
1, 2, 3.
Let me be the one to break it up, so you don't have to make excuses.
So popular.
You don't need to find a setup where someone wins or someone loses. We just have to say our love was true, but it's now just a lie.
I'll accept that.
So I'm telling you I love you one last time.
And goodbye, just turn around and walk away. You don't have to live like this. But if you love me still, then stay. Don't keep me waiting for that final kiss. We can work together through this test, or we can work through it apart. I just need to get this off my chest, that you will always have my heart. You first.
Let me be the one.
Bigyan ng jacket dyan! One more time. Sabay tayo. Let me be the one. Bigyan ng t-shirt yan! One more time. Let me be the one. Ibalik yung jacket. Let me
Be the one to break it up, so you don't have to make excuses. You don't need to find yourself where
Holy
someone
Lord.
wins or someone loses. We just have to
Balik. No, it's true. Okay na, concert namin to. Okay, on. We just have to say
our love was true, but now become a lie.
Ang galing to ah. Oh, sige. Sige, okay. Comment.
Ang gulo mo naman piano.
So I'm telling you I love you one last time. And goodbye.
What's your name, sweetheart?
Trisha.
How about a big hand for Trisha, everybody?
Thank you very much. Okay, we
Trisha,
will,
thank you ah.
before giving the jacket, we will review the CCTV. If you got the song right.
Trisha, we love you for doing that. Thank you. You will receive a free shirt later on, courtesy of the producers.
Arigato.